Hey guys, welcome to today's video. My name is Lucas, and today I'm going to be showing you this really cool hack that you can use with Claude to build up backlinks to your site. And so for example, here I have a site that has a domain rating of 45. We can go over here. This one is 40. This one is 37. This one is a little bit less, 15, but still in just like one prompt, I got these 4 and another 6 and 10 in total. And if you see, all of them have this .org ending. And that's because these are all nonprofit websites. So for example, I can go ahead and grab this URL and open up a new tab and paste this in here. And we can see that this is South Florida Tech Hub, South Florida Tech Hub. We can see that we have the about, you can see the board of directors, committees, right? We can kind of explore this a little bit more. And then we have the member directory, we have peer groups, and we have join today. And many of these websites have external links to different websites, like for example, here showing different jobs or showing different events or latest news. And you as a member of this site you can apply. Most of the cases you do have to pay a little bit, but again, this you can use like as a tax write-off because it's, for a good cause and you're also helping out your business with the backlinks. And you can use Claude Code to basically get a whole list of different organizations or nonprofits in a specific area and eventually start building out those backlinks for you. And so basically the whole flow is like this, right? I gave it this prompt. You can kind of like skim through this or like pause the video if you wanted to, but this is the prompt. It says you are a backlink prospecting agent finding .org sites in a specific city related to a specific niche. So it's going to ask me for these inputs. So city, niche, and max budget. You can write something like $100 or like $500, and it's going to run all of these web search queries. So it's going to run this tool to search the web for these sites based on the city, based on the niche, and include these different keywords. So there's like become a sponsor, our sponsors, donor. And then as you can see, I wrote down like Miami AI consultation 500. And then at the end, we get all of these different links. And also when you apply to become a member, you do have to basically add like a piece of text kind of describing who you are and what you do and why you want to become a member. So again, another really good, I wouldn't say prompt, but like template to use with Claude Code would be to use this one. Based on that initial prompt that you gave it, it can automatically build this out for you. So for example, for this one, hi BOMA Miami Dade team, blah, blah, blah. Then we have Hack Miami team. Then we have Miami Tech Works. Since it understands the context of each page, it also gives it personalization over here. As you can see, this text over here is different to the one up here. And then we can write something like turn this into a skill so that we can repeat this process on a weekly basis. And so it'll understand that this org backlink folder would be for this specific task. And this whole system is basically automated. Now, another good place to get backlinks and to use Claude Code to look for backlinks is with Reddit. So we can look for like a topic like AI automation. And we have all of these subreddits where you can go ahead and create a post and add a link to your website. Now, something to understand is that most of these if you join and you create a post, it won't automatically accept that post. So you do have to kind of be careful with that. But once you do get a post accepted, posting something on Reddit is actually really good because you can search for something like AI automation. And always, whenever you search for something, you're always going to see that Reddit recommendation as one of the top results, and Medium as well, right? Because Medium, also the same as Reddit, you can search for something, you'll most likely see some Medium articles. It's free to get started and you can talk about any topic you want. But the content here has to be kind of thorough and really well thought of. You want to also include images like this. You want to include external links, internal links. And actually a good way of doing that is by using Arval. And you can go, for example, to your dashboard, and then you can enter some type of keyword. So I'm going to put AI automation, and we can generate a title from that keyword, generate extra keywords from that main keyword. We can eventually hook it up to our own website and use it as a knowledge base for this article to get the context from, include internal linking to your website, exclude specific external links or include specific external links, use AI to generate images throughout this post, get YouTube videos that are related to this post, and then you can open up that article and you can literally just copy or select and copy paste everything from here into Medium. And again, adjust the context accordingly to your own opinions and all of that. But this gives you an awesome head start to eventually start pumping up those backlinks and get people to visit your site. So anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have any comments or questions, please let me know down in the comments below. And like always, thank you all so much for watching. Hope to see you next time. Goodbye.